kami ngayon sa Cagsawa Ruins na kung saan ito ay dinarayo ng mga turista. Isang tanyag na pasyalan dito sa Bicol Region. The Cagsawa Ruins, sometimes spelled as the Cagsawa, are remnants of the historic Franciscan Church from 60th century that is located in the Barangay Busay of Municipality of Daraga in the Bicol Region, within the Republic of the Philippines. The ruins were part of the once thriving town of Cagsawa that was followed by not so fortunate destiny. As a matter in fact, the town was originally built in the 1587, but in the 1636 it was burned down and destroyed by the Dutch pirates that were. The Daraga National Museum, also known as the National Museum of the Philippines, Bicol, is located in Daraga Albay, next to the historic Cagsawa Ruins. It features exhibitions on Bicol's natural history, including geological formations like Mayon Volcano, as well as botanical and zoological specimens unique to the region. The museum offers both indoor and outdoor exhibits such as a rock garden, butterfly sanctuary, and plant nursery, enhancing the educational experience for visitors. Sinuri ng aming team ang tindahan ni May and Migs, which is Filinaw. In short, ang mga ito ay mga pasalubong. Ang isa sa mga vendors ay aming na-interview ukol sa kanyang mga paninda.
Ito. Sa din po yung gibo na mga
Sa malilito.
I mean,
anong ano niya po?
gawa po siya saan?
Gawa sa ratan. Ratan.
Lahat yun.
Yadi, ratan. O di, lubid. O yan, abaka. O yan, ratan pa yan, be. Mga ratan yan. Malilito.
Kasi po,
Ang year ka mo.
first year.